Everybody's favorite bumpkin here. Well, parking lot's still real damn full, and phone's still ringing off the hook. What can I say? Some things just don't change. Needless to say, I've been pretty damn busy here lately, so we're going to get together tonight here about, say 7:30, and we're going to have a live here from the Ride Factory, okay? It's something we ain't ever done before. We're going to sit around and talk about it, shoot the shit about some shop stuff, things like that. Basically, it's the whole ask the monkey with the wrench type of affair. So yeah, check it out tonight, 7:30, live from the Ride Factory on the Joe the Mountain Jedi channel. And coming up right after our live stream, we're going to have a new video from GMI Rides. Unfortunately, Sterling's got to sit this week out because he's stuck in a snowbank somewhere in, St. Louis, Missouri or something like that. But hey, we all know how that long haul life is, okay? Sometimes you just got to make do with what you got. Hope you thaw out, brother, and I hope you get back rolling soon, okay? Anyway, see you tonight. We're going to be doing it live here from the Ride Factory. First time for everything.